Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set a torque wrench. First, identify the type of torque wrench you are using, whether it's a click type or a beam type. Next, locate the adjustment mechanism, which is usually a rotating handle or collar. Before making any adjustments, always consult your vehicle or equipment service manual to find the exact torque specifications needed for your task. This ensures accuracy and prevents damage. To begin adjusting, first unlock the handle or collar by rotating its locking mechanism. Then, carefully turn the handle to align the main scale with the primary torque value you need. For precise adjustments, use the smaller, secondary scale to fine-tune the setting. Once your desired torque is set, firmly relock the handle to ensure it doesn't accidentally change while you're working. When using your torque wrench, apply steady, smooth pressure to the fastener. Continue until you hear or feel a distinct click, indicating the set torque has been reached. It's crucial to stop immediately at this point to avoid over-torquing, which can strip threads or damage components. After each use, always store your torque wrench at its lowest setting to help maintain its accuracy and calibration over time. To ensure continued accuracy, it's recommended to have your torque wrench calibrated annually or immediately if it has been dropped. Remember, a torque wrench is a precision instrument. Never use it as a breaker bar to loosen stubborn fasteners, as this can severely damage its internal mechanism. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.